Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to attempt making ice cream rolls without any whipping cream, CMC or GMS. I'm going to use fresh cream and this is my first attempt. I'm going to make these rolls, Holi special rolls with a lot of colors. Let's see if it works out and Raahinya is going to do chup beta. And Raahinya is going to do the taste test. If he likes it, then I'll be okay whether the ice cream rolls turn out good or not. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, so here in a pan, I'm taking half cup milk. This is 120 ml. To the milk, I'm adding sugar. So this is 4 tablespoons sugar. So what I'm trying to do here is that to not use any whipping cream, not use any stabilizers and still try to make ice cream rolls. I know it's difficult. Okay, so the sugar has dissolved and now I'm going to let this mixture cool down. The mixture has cooled down and now I'm adding fresh cream. So this is fresh cream, guys. This is not whipping cream. This is low in fat and cannot be whipped like a whipping cream. So I'm using this. So no whipping cream, no CMC, GMS, only fresh cream and some milk and sugar. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, colors and flavors would come. So I've switched to a whisk because it becomes easier with a whisk to remove the lumps. Adding half teaspoon approximately vanilla essence. So just beating it for a minute. And next I'm going to divide this into 4 portions. Next I'm adding some colors, so yellow, red, blue and green. So I'm using gel colors here. These are gel food colors. You will find link to the products in video's description box and the first comment. Because I get a lot of questions, what gel colors do you use? So I have linked them down. Look at the beautiful bright colors. If you guys remember, I had posted Holi special cake and Holi special ice cream sticks last year and had received an amazing response from you all. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to freeze these, in my freezer for an hour or so. So after 1 to 2 hours, it would become something like this. So it's not completely set. So I'm just mixing it all so that the ice crystals break down because there's no whipping cream and I've used a lot of milk. The reason I did not use less milk because I wanted some kind of stability in the ice cream on its own, which I wouldn't get with the cream. That is the reason. And I also wanted this thing to stay on the plate so that the colors do not mix. That is the reason I just kept these in the freezer for some time. Here I've got a baking sheet or a baking tray, but if you want to attempt something like this, you can use a steel plate. Now very quickly what I'm doing is just putting the ice cream. I think I should have kept the plate also in the freezer for at least 5 to 10 minutes, which I did not do. You can see it's melting very quickly. Yes, it happens. It's not that easy to make ice cream rolls at home when you do not have that setup where you have dry ice. The perfect setup is that dry ice plate which the street vendors use. So these days it has become popular in India as well, but I remember I had it first in Thailand and it was amazing. Without any delay, I'm going to quickly put this in my freezer. So I had left this in my freezer overnight and here I've got a scraper which I bought from a shop. This is available online, though I bought it from a shop. I will link this down as well. What I'm trying to do here is to make the thickness of the ice cream a little less. Basically, I think I have made a thick layer, and to get proper rolls, to get good rolls, the layer should not be very thick. So I was in so much hurry that I just put ice creams in random places in random quantity. So I just scraped a little and now I'm going to put it back in my freezer for 10-15 minutes. And now I'm going to roll these. Well, It's not really necessary that you have a scraper like this. Our regular palta which we have in the kitchen will also work, but I wanted to try it with this. You can see it's not coming out really well, it's not rolling properly, but I'll try my best to give it a roll shape. See, there are no stabilizers, there are no emulsifiers in the ice cream, and it's not whipping cream. I know it's difficult. I think it would come out well with heavy whipping cream, but still it wouldn't be easy because you need to have something cold beneath, something cold below the plate all the time while you're rolling. The ice cream should be set really well. Well, I tasted this ice cream, so the taste is good, slightly icy, but that's what you need. To make this thing at home, there should be some kind of strength in your ice cream so that you will be able to roll it. I wouldn't call it bad, but I wouldn't call it good either, so it's average. The ice cream looks average, but the taste is good, so I'm okay with it. Next, what I'm going to do is give this to Raahinya. So first I will keep this in my freezer for some time again, because while I'm rolling this, it's still there, though I have kept some ice below the bowl. And then I'll give this to Raahinya. Raahinya is very choosy. If he doesn't like something, he wouldn't take the second bite. He would just run away from that thing. So let's see. So this is what it looks like now. And now comes the taste test. Well, Raahinya is excited. Okay, so he liked it, and if he takes the second bite, if he tries to eat it once again, that means he liked it. It was really fun to try these ice cream rolls at home. So I tried these without whipping cream, without stabilizers, and this came out average. But I'm happy that Raahinya liked it. I hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed watching it. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and enjoy.
Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel, The Terrace Kitchen. The Terrace Kitchen. Finger on your lips. Finger on your lips. Finger on your lips. Finger on your lips. Keep quiet. Apple कहाँ है? Apple, apple. कहाँ है apple? चल उधर उधर.